Hi, welcome to this video on business opportunity. My name is Sumit and I am from Indian Institute of E-commerce. In this video, we are going to discuss about an amazing business opportunity of gym accessories. People now post-COVID are more cautious for their health, and this is one reason that more and more people are interested in taking care of some kind of physical workout. They are going to gyms, they are taking memberships, and they are also using such kind of machines, not just in India or in the Western market, but across the world. Now, India is also growing its export, and I have seen that just gym accessories as a niche has got a big demand, and we can venture into this because the profit margin is very high. So I was researching Amazon.com and I found that so many of these products people are simply buying from Amazon. If you just see one of this product, which is nothing but weighing scale, 40,000 people have purchased this the last month itself at a price of almost 24.99. That means $25. If we calculate this in Indian rupees, so it's approximately $1 million worth of sale that happened the last month itself only for one single product. And there are many more, 8.2 crore rupees worth of sale of a single commodity. If there are people who are buying this much volume of products, just think like how many people are interested in buying gym accessories because they're cautious for their health. And same way, if you see other websites like etsy.com, even for children, there are gym accessories like this. That means the global demand is already there. 140 sales, 40 sales, 1300 sales, and this is Lazada Singapore's website. That means even if it is the .com, that is the Amazon Global, or etsy.com, that is also global, or if even if it is a country site, that is Singapore site, or Rakuten, that is Japan's website, or even we explored noon.com, which is for Middle East, that means Dubai and Saudi Arabia and all these countries. Everywhere you will see like these gym equipments are already trending. People in India, they are thinking that how they can get from that 9 to 5 job. I have this business opportunity where you get the plug and play e-commerce startup from me, and you get the store builder, you get the training mentorship, so you can learn how to find the suppliers and how to find the buyers who can help you with the buying and supplying, and you can just simply get started with the e-commerce business. You do not have to actually invest in any of these things. Simply you can list these products into the e-commerce store builder, the one which I'll be giving you. In this, you can actually list the products. I already have listed my products, but I'll be giving you a fresh new e-commerce store that will be completely yours. In this case, it's like my domain. It will be your domain. It will be your currency. And you can also add your own employees in this. That's how you'll be able to build your own e-commerce store. You'll be able to directly get the payment from the customers. And this is how you will be able to install many of the softwares and tools into this. So this entire ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce business that I'm talking about comes with a program that we call a Certified E-commerce Professional. This is IIC's flagship program. This is an all-in-one program. Here we give you everything to learn, from the digital marketing training to softwares and tools, so that you can get the online sales. Even I'm saying the guarantee of getting the e-commerce sales. You will get the buyer's database, you will get the plug-and-play e-commerce store builder and the mentorship support. That means with this same program, with the access of 17 different modules and certifications that you get from us in IIC CEP program, everything that you are seeing right now, these things are in the market that they cost about like 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupee. But here in the same program, I'm going to give you everything as part of the same bundle. You don't have to pay anything extra for this. And not only that, you are also getting the registered certification, which is also approved by the Government of India's Ministry of Education as part of the NEET, that is a public-private partnership with IIC. That means this program is globally valid, and you also get 17 more certifications as part of the bundle. That means you're not getting just one program, but a bundle of everything. Here the training is fully practical, it's online, it's live, it's interactive. So get started with the e-commerce business today, because this will help you to build a really successful business, because here you are getting video-based trainings plus live classes plus practical on the real-time e-commerce store that I'm showing you right now here. So all the softwares and tools that you are seeing, you will be able to install them, you will be able to work on them. You can design your own site by seeing different themes that you want and choose a theme that you feel is more near to your heart, and then start marketing them. So you can create many different marketing strategies. You can even do paid ads using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more channels. You can do search engine optimization of this. For in case if I'm showing you my listing here, you can see the SEO thing is there, and you can add countdown, you can do FOMO, you can do many sales strategies in this, so that people can directly come in. They can purchase products. We have integrated AI in this. That means using this tool, a lot of these contents AI tool itself can create by itself. That means you don't have to put efforts in terms of doing search engine optimization or paid ads. You can see perfect and perfect written here. While I was talking to you, I already generated some two meta tags. So back to this, the program is fully practical, but you also get access of the recorded contents plus ebooks and white papers, case studies in terms of learning experience. So you can learn everything from us from scratch. So all these 17 programs, modules plus certifications are included so that you have the hands-on practical learning on the e-commerce business that you want to start with us. And this comes with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support. So all the contents that I'm giving you will be with you forever. Yes. Now, as I said about the gym equipments business, we have many more niches, but right now we are talking about the gym equipment, and this is something where I want to really bet high because I feel that gym equipments do not really cost so much. These are just general machines, and these are made of steel, iron, and heavy things. So, of course, the only cost is the transportation cost. And trust me, people are buying American-made threadmills in India. So same way, Indian-made products can also be exported to the global markets. And market is now expanding. People are more interested for buying things from India because from our country, made in India products have got a better value and demand. And these products are always going to be in the market. So what you are seeing now, one product, one product gets a hit and you are going to make $1 million. $1 million is almost like 8 crores. So I'm saying that even if you get started with a few products that you can directly drop ship in wholesale, B2B, you can still make great amount of profit because people are making 40-50 lakhs per month itself in the e-commerce export business of gyms and accessories. So same way, if you have to start your own, you can simply get started with the theme that you want. You can realign the content based on your interest, make the website live, and start selling. Now, as you see that this entire program is fully ready, you do not have to put any efforts in terms of finding the suppliers or doing anything. I'm giving the data, you just connect with them and start selling. So if you want to go for the mentorship only, you can take the mentorship. We'll be providing live sessions to you, and you can have complete access of the training material plus the live classes. And at the same time, if you want to go for the plug and play ready-made business, you're going to get the complimentary access to database, buyers data, suppliers data, digital marketing training, and also a lot of different tools and software so that you can build your business successfully. Here, everything is plug and play. The only effort you'll be putting is closing the deals. And this is something which is going to make a real financial impact in your life. So if you're currently thinking to get started with something like a plug and play model, since we have invested our years of time, and I myself has worked for companies like Amazon, with Alibaba. So with that experience, I can confidently say you that you will be very successful if you start an e-commerce business today. Even if you're a working professional, you want to have some side income coming in, or you are somebody who is still looking to start your own business, I'm suggesting you that get started. Close your eyes and get into the e-commerce business, and especially in the export business, because here the transaction size is big. You can simply list your products in the international e-commerce marketplaces. As I told you, Amazon and many more are there. Plus your own e-commerce store will make a great amount of impact. I'll give you a target like 50,000 product sales if we do annually, which is quite easy. We should be doing it. You will be able to make easily, I'm telling you, $1 million plus in this, and you don't have to do one sale. Somebody comes and purchases minimum 500,000 MOQs from you, and that's how we make some deals, and maybe just about 200-300 good deals, and it's going to be a regular business. And trust me, these deals you don't have to do again and again. Once you get a few buyers, they'll keep buying from you regularly because they are the one who are supplying this from you regularly. So even if one buyer comes and purchase 500 MOQ products, that means 500 minimum quantity of one product from you. That means you hardly require 20 such buyers who can just buy from you every month. That's all. And by the end of the month, you will see good amount of money coming in. By end of year, you will have the financial freedom. You just have to follow the process I'm giving you in this plug and play ready-made e-commerce business opportunity. So join us, don't wait. This is the golden period of India and for you.